You ever wonder how many hours you put on a lawnmower engine during one season of cutting your grass? Or how many hours you put on your snowblower during the winter season? Well, for less than $10 delivered to my house, I picked up this hour meter. And I'll be installing this today on my snowblower. So stick around. Yeah, here I got one grease fitting here, and I got one down there. Test out today, but let's see. Okay, let's look at the package. Hour meter. Easy installation, peel and stick. I'll probably put it on with the 2 screws. It comes with 2 screws. No battery required. Connects to spark plug wire. Works on any gas engine. Basically any engine that has a spark plug wire. I have one of these on my truck right now. It's a blue one. And it's got about almost 500 hours on it. I put it in like 2 years ago. So it's working fine. Let's open this up. Show you what you get with it. And this thing's pretty simple. I don't see any peel and stick here though. But you got the screw hole, so I was gonna just screw it in anyways. Hey, yeah, they forgot to give that to me. Well, this wire here, you wrap around your spark plug wire about 5 times, and then it comes through here, goes through here, and every time you start your engine, it's gonna keep track. And you got the two screws. I gotta dig these out. They're in there in plastic. They look like Phillips screws though. Okay, so let's go out in the garage. And you know, if you guys want to watch me do this, it's a pretty easy job. I mean, for entertainment, you might get a couple laps. Come out there and watch how I do it. Okay, first off I want to show you the one I have in my truck. The engine doesn't have to be running for it to display the hours. It's reading 490.1 hours. So let's go to the snowblower. Okay, this is where I decided to put the hour meter, and now I'm going to have to pre-drill some holes. I'm going to be using a 3/32 drill bit. Okay, so what you do here is you take this wire that they give you, put it in the back here, and just press it in here. And I got this piece of plastic that fits in here nicely. Just push it right in. And there, that's all you gotta do. You can actually pull this so it's even right here. There. And I'll go right in like that. Okay, let's install this. Okay, now just wire this down. Okay, the spark plug wire is right here. So what I have to do is wrap this around the snowblower's handle shaft and wrap it around a few times. That should be good. And then I'll bring it over to here. Okay, right here's the plug wire. It's a little tight here, but just wrapped around. And it says to do it about 5 times. In the interest of time, I'll just wrap it up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have it all wrapped up. What I'll do is take a little tie here And you know, they didn't give me any ties either, so I got kind of gypped on the deal, but come on. There, and I'm going to put another tie around this way. Okay. Just so it don't unravel on me. Get it really tight. There. That ain't going nowhere. Snip these off. That's it. Plugs back in and that's it. I could actually put a tie over here too, just keep this tight and clip that off. Okay, she's done. Hey, so for under $10, it probably increased the value of this thing by at least $20. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care.